Hey, today I want to show you how I commute to work using my foldable e-bike, the Fiido D4s. Actually, it's my first day at work, so I will see how it will pan out. Especially if my boss will allow me to bring my e-bike into the office and if it will rain today. Because I've done some location scouting beforehand, I already know that there is a bike stand in front of the office. Also that the janitor does not want me to bring the bike inside and to put it in the storage room or something. Anyways, I already know that I do not want to leave my expensive bike outside. Here you can see my setup for commuting. I have the Fiido D4s, which is a foldable e-bike. Here I have an extra battery because especially in the morning it would be very unfortunate if I run out of juice. I have a 26-inch transport bag. Later I will put the bike here inside to carry it into the office. This is the 26-inch version and my bike is only 20-inch, but with all the modifications I did, a 20-inch bag would be very tight fit. Here I have two Oatly front roller bags on a lowrider. I use them to carry all my office stuff like food and water, etc. In a future video I will show you my setup for traveling with the bike. Until then, please make sure to like my video and subscribe so you don't miss anything. Here you can see my route. It's actually very nice because I can go on this island, the Donauinsel. So most of the route is without traffic lights, so I can go very fast. And I'm much faster than when I go with public transport. It will take me only around 30 minutes. Here you can see where I work. I'm already very close. When I will be there, I will fold my bike. Now I'm in front of the building. I will fold the bike now. Since I have time, I will also remove the smartphone holder and the bike mirror, so it's easier to fold. Suchen Sie was?
Hier ist ein Eingang.
Zu diesen?
Ja.
Links und diese Drehtür normalerweise. Okay, I will now go inside. I hope my boss will let me put my bike, so I'm a little bit nervous. Unfortunately, I cannot film inside, but I will let you know how it went afterwards.
8 hours later.
Okay, after a full day of work, I'm now back and I can say I'm pleasantly surprised because nobody noticed that I'm with a bike because I had it inside the bag. I can show you. Here you can see how it was. I could have even charged my bike. And it was good that I didn't leave the bike outside, even though I have a good lock and a bike alarm. Because it could also rain and then it's not good for the electronics. What is my conclusion? It was a very good experience and I will continue to commute to work using my e-bike. Only if the weather is bad, I will use the train. Anyways, if you have any question, please don't hesitate to post. Können Sie warten kurz? Ich mache gerade ein Foto. Danke fürs Nicht-Warten. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to post any comments. Können Sie ganz kurz warten? Danke. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to post in the comments, especially about my bike. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye. Okay, sorry. Ich habe nicht gewusst, dass Sie kommen mit dem großen.
Wo wollen Sie hin? Osse. Da geht's auf die Donauinsel.